Anthony. Turn around, Anthony.
Damn! Eric, come turn it off.
Where you at?
Somebody just.
I'm highlighted yellow.
I hear somebody loud ass.
Okay, that's Connie. That's Connie just ran past.
Hello, motherfucker.
What is up, my YouTube family? It's Half Fleet, and this was the most chaotic win ever. If you enjoy the video, hit that like button and sub. It will mean a lot.
That nigga Eric like being Leland so he could buck the nigga.
And I don't see no bucket, like.
You would have did that last game.
He's all see no bucket, bruh.
There's no exit back here.
Alright, yeah, I'm gonna go this way.
Let me see. Does it show me where the lockpick is? Lockpick.
There you go.
Bias.
I don't know.
Who's ever behind me? Who's with me?
I'm with
Who
you.
are you?
Like right here. Hold on.
If it spawns there. No, they move him a lot.
So that leads right back into the room. Okay.
Damn, Eric, it took you forever.
Well, Lee, it's right here, Anthony. We got one. We right
That
here.
nigga Leland don't believe in being quiet.
Can you get in a fight with?
Oh,
You
I
can't
hear-
get in a fight
I
with
hear his
Leatherface.
chainsaw
Oh, you
already,
gonna
bruh.
leave.
You can stab him, that's all.
Yeah, in the bag though, huh? You can't like do what you do with the others.
I hear somebody loud ass.
Okay, that's
What?
Connie. That's Connie just ran past.
Hello, motherfucker.
I thought we was dead. I was like,
It's not letting me hop over, bro. This is shit I be talking
All right,
about.
yeah, grab one.
Hold on, wait.
Hey, come here, I got this door right here. Well, I haven't opened
Alright,
it yet, but...
I'm about to grab another tool. I'm grabbing another
Another
tool.
door
No
we
cap.
could go
I'll keep it
through.
two.
Somebody
Who's by
just
the
passed the
chicken?
chickens. Who's
Is that
by the
Dwayne?
chickens?
I had to kill that chicken.
Okay, that was-
Oh my god, I hear his chainsaw.
Yeah, I do too. I'm getting
Oh,
up out
he
of
running
that
right.
room.
He running right up to me, bro.
Take the other one, Steven.
Oh shit, this
Oh my
nigga
God.
brought him.
Wait, y'all, where y'all
Steven
at?
had in the same room he was in.
Oh,
Oh god.
I went head, bro. Fuck that. I went head,
Hey,
bro.
real life.
But-
I see.
We went head. This nigga coming this way.
Nah, he's not over here. He was trying to break something.
Don't move. Oh
I
shit.
hate family
Don't
houses.
move,
No
don't move, don't
exits,
move, don't
bro.
move,
There's
don't
Oh
move,
my
don't
god,
move.
this nigga brought Daphne came over here.
There's no exits out this bitch.
My
bro.
nigga, I can't find a tool. I can't find a toolbox.
Don't move.
Why you
You're
run?
an idiot. Why'd you run? He did not see us.
There we go. There we go.
No, because I was like, I seen him go that way, so I'm gonna take off the other shit.
Daphne.
I gotta open
I'm
a
waiting.
door.
I'm
Velma.
waiting.
I gotta open a
I'm
door.
Fred.
I'm just waiting.
Oh.
Hey,
But I-
Velma.
Wait. Oh, I know this map.
Find
If
your
you guys can
glasses.
find
Let's
me,
go.
come to like the back right corner of the map.
Well, we
I
can't
swear
right now.
there's no fucking
Velma's struggling.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know who the fuck that was. That
This
hit
way,
that.
Connie. This way.
This
There's
way,
one.
this way?
Wait, no, not this way. This is the entrance
Wait,
to
which,
another
where are
room.
y'all at? What room are y'all in?
We're like the back right corner.
Keep
Oh.
going straight from
Oh,
where
don't
I
move.
ran from. Keep going straight from where I
The
ran.
family of woke grandpa.
Well, she ain't got no
Don't
shoes
move.
on.
If
She's
I go
regular.
from
say
where I
that.
ran from, it's
Yeah,
wait, you
don't
left
move.
me. Trying to
No, I
shoot me
didn't.
back.
It's harder. Hold on.
So what
is
do you
it
want to
that
do?
way,
You
Steven?
wanna
Is
go
it
out
that
and go
way?
to the left,
It's not this way, no.
like through the bones, or you want to go back down the hall?
I just don't want to
Oh,
go.
going through the hole. Fuck that.
Up
I come
through
back
the
down the hall.
house.
It's me being. There's literally one main
He's
exit.
coming.
Bro. This is it.
He's coming.
Yeah. I love when Leatherface comes.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
Fuck, I'm gonna just pick this main
He's
door.
by me. He's by me.
Yeah, we're gonna.
He's
Yeah,
fine.
I'll keep him on me. I'll keep him. No, he's following me here.
Oh nope, follow me. Oh, everybody, let's see went that way.
Run
He's
up
on
that
my
door.
dick.
Fuck that walk. Fuck that walk. Fuck that walk.
Okay, let me go.
Where we going?
Where we going, bruh?
I don't know.
I don't know. We're going in a circle. This ain't a way out. I just realized where we are.
No way he can.
Oh, in the same spot. That's crazy.
Don't go out there. Wait.
Hey, I need help.
I got a door open. Not going through there. I'm about to go find
Wait,
another
wait, wait,
toolkit. You look at the map. Look at the map.
I
There's
don't
door
get
two.
mine. I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't
No,
get it. I
the
don't have
red ping, nigga. It's a red ping.
Anthony.
Hold on. I'm getting a knife.
I'm at
Oh shit!
I'm
I
at
think
the
I
door.
just made too much noise. I think I just made too
Bro.
much noise.
I'm finding nothing but health.
I'm ready,
now.
though.
Do you guys have a lockpick? Oh damn.
Yeah, I
have
do.
a lock
but
pick. I'm at a door.
Stuck.
Where you at? To the right?
No, I only seen one door this entire map.
Not the shit we got.
It's
we
weird.
gotta
I
go
seen
around.
4. Once I unlocked that one, I seen 4 more. I'm
I
about
don't
to
know
just
if we
unlock
should
all
open
4.
it though.
Yeah, just
We
open.
unlocked this door to the left.
Just open it.
found
You don't
another
have to
door.
go up. You
I
can
found
like move
another
from
door.
it.
I
I'ma
found another
just
door.
open a lot. I'ma just open a lot of
I
these
found
doors.
another door that they left open.
You're just gonna open
No,
them?
I opened that, Steven. I opened that. Yeah. I'm just unlocking and opening doors right
So
now.
should me and Eric open ours and start going up, or should we just open it and go hide?
It's up to you. You can go up.
What do you want to do? E? Oh, they coming.
Oh, this is going up the ladder. Oh, yeah, I'm going.
I got 2 doors open, and you guys have that one, so that's 3 open downstairs.
I'm in the bush. What's that? In the house. That's
Hey,
tough.
side door. Side door's open.
I'm not finna move. I'm just waiting for y'all. Me and Eric upstairs though, and I still got a
Okay.
lockpick and I got a knife.
I'm going this
Hey,
way.
y'all are upstairs? Like up in the house? Upstairs?
Yeah.
No, we're upstairs, like
Oh.
in
There's a
our-
pig.
Side
Anthony.
doors, side doors.
There's a pig right behind you.
Side
Over
doors
here where
open.
I'm at.
It's
The generator
unlocked.
front, I think.
It's pig.
Generator's front yard. Yes. Side door, generator front yard.
Oh, you guys are at the front.
I'm
Oh,
coming
I
up
found
here.
the
Front side
valve
door.
thing. The valve
door,
thing's
side
over
door.
here. I don't know if y'all ever do the valve.
Side
but
door,
I got the
side
valve
door.
thing over
Dwayne, you
here.
know where side door is?
Well, not the
Yeah.
actual valve, but the thing that you need to put it on.
Alright, well, generator's front yard. No one's up
There's
here,
a
side
trap, bro. That's so weak, bro. Hitchhiker's the
This
weakest thing.
nigga Eric crazy.
Boy.
Oh, somebody. Oh, you must have got hit with the trap, huh, Eric? Man.
Yes.
Turn yellow.
And then I'm incapacitated.
door. And of course,
Just
they had a
hide,
trap
bro.
up here in
Just
generator.
hide, bro.
Trap on
Oh,
generator.
God.
We just cooling for
Bro, I
right
can't-
now.
You know, exit back here?
Oh, somebody's just opened that door downstairs.
Oh, I'm getting. I have to get away. I'm about to open up another door. This is shit I'm talking about. This shit I'm talking about.
I'm out, man. I'm not gonna be back here.
Bro, y'all.
Where we
should-
going, man?
Side
I'll go
door.
to- I
Y'all
gotta go
in
through
the
the
house. In the house, side door.
Open,
Just run out
turn
of
it
side door. Just go
Gonna go
side
in the
door and go
house?
straight outside. If I go in.
Yeah, you guys
side
are gonna
door,
have to go
in
through the house to
and go
leave on
straight
this
out.
one.
He was on my
You jumped
ass,
out the
bro.
window, nigga?
No, I jumped out. He was on my ass, bro.
Oh, I'm trying to see where y'all are, so I could just tell y'all could, so I could just. Anthony. Fuck, where's your screen? I can't see your screen. Go through there, Dwayne. Do there, Dwayne, and just go straight out that front door. You're good. Anthony is on the. Oh, Anthony, you should know the other way.
Yeah.
Come
Fence
here.
over
You
there,
see
there's a
me?
fence
You
over
see me standing up? Just
There's
come
a
right
fence
here.
going in front of you. You're
Eric,
gonna
turn
have
right.
to pick that.
Just pick up that. Pick up a. Damn, never mind.
Try not to.
I don't
I'm
know,
gonna just.
bro.
Damn.
Shit.
I'm black as fuck. I'm standing up in a crack right now, so you don't see me.
Oh, I see you. I got 2 pick tools. What you need?
I don't need none of that. I'm just hoping that they didn't turn the generator back on.
I think they did. Dwayne, are you following Eric? Dwayne, Eric is no longer. Oh, yeah. Close that door behind you, Eric.
Oh, I'm a little busy at the moment, bro. I'm gone too.
I'm trying to watch for Anthony.
Damn, Eric.
Leatherface is no, he didn't see me.
He turned it back on or
He's-
what?
I don't know.
I'll go
I
to
don't
your
know.
left.
Leatherface went back. Leatherface went back in the house.
Yes, he
though.
did.
You can go that way.
No, I'm turning it off.
Somebody might be. Oh wait, turn around, Anthony. Turn around, Anthony.
Damn! Eric, come turn it off.
Where you at?
Somebody
Yeah.
just.
I'm
came to the
highlighted
door.
yellow.
I'm hiding. The other face is coming.
I'm just turning it off. If you
I'm
guys
gonna-
aren't over here, I'm leaving you niggas. That's on,
No,
bro.
wait.
wrong.
You gotta
Just
wait.
go to the gate, Eric. You can just run to the
Anthony's
gate.
stuck. Anthony, when they
I
go
got
back, you
2
take
on
that
me.
left, you go through that gate and take a right. But after they leave.
I'm just waiting for him to leave.
Oh, fuck that.
Stop moving. No, they're gonna come turn it off. We need Ant to get out too.
Are you talking about the? Did y'all go to the parking, like the backside?
Just-
Anthony.
The front part, the
Is it
front
the
door.
back?
Dwayne,
backside?
he's running. He's chasing me. He's chasing me. I gotta go.
Where'd y'all go? So go to the front end, like the one that's way out on the street. Is it that exit?
Yeah, but I think they're about to turn it back on. So Dwayne, can you like Loki like?
Nah,
Where's
bro,
Anthony?
yeah,
Anthony,
try to-
you might want to hurry up, Loki.
Oh, somebody just disconnected.
Hopefully.
Killer.
it's
Should I
the
just
Oh, they
Leatherface.
run?
did, yeah.
Should
So
I just
run,
run?
yeah.
Oh,
Hit
Leatherface
it right,
disconnected.
Hit it right.
They might give us
Right,
the free
right,
win.
Hit it left. Go straight. All ass. And don't use as much stamina as possible.
Yeah, gate's still
Yeah, I'm
open. Just
trying
hold
not
LB. Just hold LB.
What I'm doing?
Did you get him out the front gate? Right? It's still
Mm.
open.
He went through the back. I wasn't out of there by the time he was already out the back. So now, just haul ass.
Go.
I'm.
Is there anyone over there to the left? I can't hear
I
it.
don't see
Generator.
nobody.
Look
I
at
don't
it. Is
see
that like?
nobody.
Is that like? Green?
Yeah,
Oh,
come on,
oh,
run,
let
just
me
run,
face
just
back
run.
to
He's
generator.
at, no, he disconnected. Come on.
Just keep going. Yeah.
Just keep running.
I'm going. They know we're in the front though. Just got scanned.
They don't have time, low key.
Yeah.
Okay, haul it. Just run, bro. I mean, run. Get loose.
Kalila came out of the bush.
Watch him turn that thing, and Anthony's just gonna lay flat.
I'm gonna, holy shit! Of course, Steven trash. Oh, you made it first. Trash
Yeah, I
ass.
had to help you. I was helping.
Tab.
Right
I had to
now,
go.
baby.
I had to go right back out there. I got hit by a trap. Had to turn off the generator. No, I was gonna get out there anyway.
Oh, I got hit by the generator too.
And you can't get hit by the generator.